Okay, so following the comments or the thread I posted of the braking problem, a lot of you guys said that it should be or it could be the vacuums. The only one going towards in here is the one that's connected to the supercharger, which is this one right here. I actually took it off from here and blew into it in the supercharger, and it goes right through, so it must get air from the supercharger. I unplugged it in from here and blew into the booster, and it has pressure. Like, I blow in it and I can't. There's like no pressure at all. Actually, there's pressure. Sorry. So I'm assuming that's how they're supposed to go, or unless it's clogged. I'm not really sure. Looks like that's all the hoses that go into the booster. Now, I'm gonna start it. I haven't started it yet. It's cold. Haven't started since yesterday. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Hopefully I can get the noise of I can get the braking problem. I'll stop. I'll go down the hill, and I'll slam on the brakes. And I don't know if you'll be visualizing exactly how bad it brakes at first, and then the more I go, it'll brake better. And hopefully with the noise, you can hear what I'm talking about of the little rattle thing that's on the firewall. Hopefully we can make it sound, or I can make it sound good or something. It'll go through. But I'll show you right now what I mean by brakes. It stops right now at a slow speed, but if I go fast, it won't brake good. And then after a while, it's warm and everything, and drive it after a while, it'll brake hard. Now this is me slamming on the brakes. Try it again. 30 miles per hour, 40. I got like no stop at all. Let's try it again. This is uphill though. Now I'm gonna put the phone down in the firewall so you can at least. I hope you can hear the noise, but here it goes. Just turn it. So there, hopefully it goes through the speakers and you can hear it. It's warm now, temperature's good. Watch, I'll try to stop again. I'll stop a little bit better. Actually, it did the same thing, it doesn't stop good. I mean, it stops good to the point where I don't have to worry about it. Like there's times when it's like either really really cold, I get out and I go and I slam on the brakes at a stop, like right here, stop. For some reason I'm all the way, pedals all the way in, and it does not stop at all. Like until a while I can, yeah. So hopefully somebody knows what's going on. I think it's the booster or the vacuum or something's wrong. Maybe something's broken in there. I mean, I'm not even sure if something rotates in there. I haven't really messed with that, with the braking systems, other than just change the calipers and just bleed the front brakes and the rear, but that's about it. So hopefully this gives a better view, hearing, sound, and everything than just typing it in and trying to find some examples of, have you ever heard this, or it sounds like this. So if anybody helps, thanks. Advices and everything, thank you.